If you are watching this, it's because you want to make an appointment with somebody from the Centre for Liberal Arts at Northern Essex Community College. To do so, go to the main NECC webpage, click on My NECC, log in with your username and password, then select Student Navigate. At this point, click to log in with your student account, and these are the options that are available to you. Click on Appointments, schedule an appointment, state the reason why you would like an appointment, in this case academic advising, choose the next question, scroll down a bit, returning student advising liberal arts, choose done, continue to the next step. The only location now that we are off site is virtual appointment. Who would you wish to meet with? You can either choose Dermot Luddy or Shakira Moreta. So let's choose Dermot Luddy and then continue to the next step. Look at the times that are available. Nothing available for the current week. Let's look at the next week and let's choose Monday at 9 a.m. Continue to next step. Now you have an appointment. This is the Zoom link at which the appointment will take place. You will receive an email. You can click confirm appointment. This is important to make sure that the appointment is actually confirmed. Now that you have your appointment made. If you are unable to meet at that time, you should go back into Navigate, click on Returning Student Advising Liberal Arts, click on that appointment and cancel the appointment. Okay, here is the link for the Zoom if you were to meet, but you can just click here for cancel appointment and then state a reason. It may be that you need to reschedule, or it may be that you don't need the appointment any longer. Okay, that's how you make and how you cancel an appointment to meet with somebody at the Centre for Liberal Arts. We also recommend that you install the Navigate app on your phone, which will make this much easier.